Alicia's. What's up? It's your girl Alicia, and I'm coming to you today with another video. In this video today, I wanted to be doing a unboxing video of a package, a PR package that I actually got from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm so excited. I don't know what's in here, but I'm excited to open it with you guys. It's a nice size box, so if you guys are interested to see what NYX sent me today, please stay tuned to the end of this video. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the family. And if you are already one of my angels, you guys know I love you so much. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this video, girl. And then the box says NYX Professional Makeup. And you can open it this way. So when we open it here, ooh, okay, so it says NYX here. Oh, this is so cute. This is the card. Okay, so it has a card in here. Create a flawless canvas, define favorite features, add a pop of color, set and slay all day. Okay, so it has tissue paper here. So we take the tissue paper out and we have all these goodies. Oh my god. Oh my god! I'm so excited. I love NYX so much. If you would have told me when I started YouTube that I would be getting a PR package from NYX, I'd have been like, I bet you lying. So let's just go through these goodies. Oh my goodness. So here I have the NYX Professional Makeup Glitter Goals. And they included the glitter primer, and they included 3 different glitters here. So there's a ruby reddish color, there's a gold, and a copper colored glitter in here as well. So angels, this is like face and body glitter, it says. So also I have in here a Wonder Stick, and this is a highlighting and contour stick. I don't know if this is my shade, but it says medium tan. So this is what it looks like. I'm so excited. So that means I probably can do a one tutorial video for you guys, like all NYX makeup products. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. I actually purchased this with my own money. I actually found out about this primer from Destiny Lachey here on YouTube, and this is the Honey Do Me Up primer. So I'm hyped. So they also sent me the NYX Dewy and Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And this is like a sample size because I had a big bottle of this and I love this setting spray. Okay, angels, so I also have this micro brow pencil. This is the shade Espresso. And I have another micro brow pencil in the shade Brunette. So I have another Wonder Stick, and of course this is for highlighting and contouring. And they have this girl on here and just showing you, you know, how you prep your skin, highlight, contour, blend, voila, everything is done. So they show you on here what's what. And this actually says it's the shade Universal. So I don't know if that means anybody could use this. Like, I don't know what they mean by Universal, but I will definitely be checking it out. Okay, so I've been wanting to try the NYX lingerie lippies, and I have not tried them yet. So I'm so excited that they threw this in the box. This color, I believe, is Lipply. Yes, this is Lipply. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's nude, but like a pinch of pink. So we will see. They also included in here this NYX Butter Gloss, and you guys know I love NYX Butter Glosses. This color is Cream Brulee. So, oh my god, it's like a nudie pink again, and I'm all about the pinks nowadays, and especially the nudie pinks. That's been like my thing lately. Is this the HD concealer? Stop playing. So they also threw in here 2 HD concealers. This definitely don't look like my shades though. I usually use nutmeg when I get these concealers. So they sent me light, pale, and medium. Whatever don't work for me, I'll just add in my kit because I started building a makeup kit because everybody wants me to do their makeup now. So that's that. And I have here this NYX Suede Matte Lip Pencil. And this is in the shade Brooklyn Thorn. And it looks like it's a brown pencil. Yeah, it's like a brown lip liner. I also received this NYX Professional makeup brush, and it looks to be a blending brush. I also have another lip, angels. I have this NYX NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this is Kitten Heels, and it's like a nice, cute, sexy red. Girl, this color is so sexy. Oh my god. They also sent me the HD finishing powder, and this is a translucent powder, so it is lit. Okay, angels, so I have something here, so let's unravel it. They sent me the Love You So Mochi shadow palette. It says on the back that this is the Sleek and Chic shadow palette. I want to try to open it. This is what, oh my god, it's so pretty, guys. Oh my god, this, I could tell this is gonna be like one of my favorite palettes right now. Okay, so we got 2 things here, and these are the last 2 things, angels. So let's see. So they sent me 2 different shadow palettes. This one here is the Ultimate Multi-Finish Shadow Palette, and it is the electric palette. Oh gosh, this is beautiful. This is what it looks like. Tell me that is not gorgeous, angels. Like, is that not beautiful? Okay, angels, and last but not least, we have the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. And this is the Smoky and Highlight Palette. Let's open it. Let's open it, open it. This is what it looks like. Super duper pretty. Oh my god, I'm so grateful for all of this stuff. If you guys are watching my channel over there at NYX, thank you so much for this PR package. I love it so much. I cannot wait to use it in my videos and share it with all of my angels so they can get a chance to see how each and every product I have here works. Angels, if you guys were wondering, NYX reached out to me and they asked me would I be interested in receiving a PR package, and I replied back to their email and said thank you so much, I would love to. So I was actually waiting for this package, and today it showed up at my door, and I was super surprised. So I was just really excited to share these goodies with you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Girl, like, what is you doing? Like, stop right now. Like, right now. Go hit that subscribe button. Like, if you are not one of my angels, like, you have to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you over here. We are a real and genuine family over here. This is our little corner of YouTube, so come and join the family. That's pretty much the end of this video. I think I want to end this video and tell you guys to never give up on your dreams and trust God, trust the process, enjoy the journey, whatever journey it is that you are on, and just live it up. Stay positive. Everything is gonna work out. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. But always remember, the secret to success. I hope you guys are saying this with me by now, because we've been doing this for what, about 2 years now? We've been doing this at least a year, so you guys should know this by heart. Put God first. Always be determined, and consistency is key, girl. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, angels.